Dear students, this is video number 2, class 7th. We discuss lesson 2 in geography. The rest part of lesson 2. Now we will discuss rocks. A rock is a solid collection of minerals that grow or become cemented together. Some rocks are large while others are small. Small rocks are called pebbles. Now we will discuss classification of rocks. On the basis of formation or structure of rocks, rocks are divided into 3 types. Number 1 is igneous rocks, number 2 is sedimentary rocks, and number 3 is metamorphic rocks. The igneous rocks is divided into 2 parts: intrusive rocks and extrusive rocks. Now we will discuss about igneous rocks. Igneous rocks is formed through the cooling and solidification of magma or lava. Means igneous rocks formed from lava. When volcano erupts, lava comes out and cooled and formed into igneous rocks. Example of igneous rocks are granite, basalt, obsidian, flint, etc. The 2 main types of igneous rocks are intrusive and extrusive rocks. Intrusive rocks cool slowly deep under the earth's surface. The example of intrusive rock is granite. And number 2 is extrusive rocks, formed when the magma erupted from a volcano and cools quickly and form rocks with the small crystals. The example of extrusive rocks is basalt rock, obsidian rock, and we will discuss the number 2 type of rocks, sedimentary rocks. These rocks often start as sediments carried on rivers and deposited in lakes and oceans. When buried, the sediments lose water and become cemented to form rocks. The example of sedimentary rocks are sandstone, limestone, and shale. Sedimentary rocks are a good source of fossils fuels like coal, petroleum, and natural gas. These comes from sedimentary rocks. Number 3 rocks is metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks are formed when the original character and appearance of igneous and sedimentary rocks are completely changed due to heat and pressure. The examples of metamorphic rock are granite is changed into gneiss, clay is changed into slate, limestone is changed into marble, etc. These rocks do not allow water and rarely have pores or openings. These are hardest rocks. Now we will discuss about rock cycle. The 3 types of rocks follow the cyclical pattern. Igneous rocks are broken due to weathering and erosion and deposited sediments, and sediments form sedimentary rocks, and sedimentary rocks due to heat and pressure form metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks due to heat and pressure melt and comes out magma. When magma cools down, igneous rocks form. This is the rock cycle. The lesson 2nd in geography is completed. I hope you will understand properly.